pink with clear. That's this color. Oh, so you see how it's like more of a point now? That's what I've been trying to do lately. I don't know. I think I like it. Yeah, that's that cover pink with clear. Oh, speaking. Now what I'm going to do is add this pretty gold glitter on this French. I didn't have any gold acrylic glitter. If y'all know any good ones, please let me know. Because I have one, but it's more of like a champagne. I don't have a gold like this. And then my other one I have is too yellow. So if you know a gold that looks like this, please let me know. But I did 2 coats of this and I cured it in my lamp. Y'all, for some reason my clients' hands always be tilted to the side like that, and I always have to readjust them and try to center them. I don't know if it's because of my armrest. But I didn't change the armrest so many times, y'all, and they hands always end up tilting to the side like that. And I just tell them, if you don't keep your hands straight, I'm gonna put your tips on crooked. And then all of a sudden they always end up tilting to the side. I really don't know why. And I always have to adjust them. But anyway, for this nail, we didn't know if we wanted to do a solid brown, but we ended up doing marble, and I'm so glad we did because it came out so cute. Now it's time to cap. Y'all already know I use my Mia Secret Clear, my old faithful, my ride or die. And forget, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and put my top coat first before I do the 3D flower, because I know last time I forgot it and going around the 3D flowers was a hot mess. So always make sure you put the top coat on first. I learned from that mistake. Now, don't get me wrong, I still don't know how to do 3D flowers that good, but I keep trying, and that's all that matters. I think what I need to learn how to do is get the ratio and the timing down. Once I get the ratio and the timing down, I think I can work a little bit more on my placement as well, because now that I'm looking back, I didn't even place this petal in the center. It's like it's kind of offset a little bit, but it's okay. It's just the timing for me. I don't know when to manipulate it or when to let it sit. I just go with the flow and hope it turned out right. But I didn't really like how this flower came out. I liked how the other flower came out on the other hand, but I think it came out better because I could see. And when I was doing this one, my phone was kind of in the way, so I couldn't really see for real. I don't know why I got those gaps in the middle. Y'all see? How can I avoid that? Obviously by not pressing down too hard, but I have to press down in order to get the flower to fan out. I don't know if it's how I'm placing it. I should have placed them more touching each other. That's why. I don't know. But whenever I put the crystal in the center, it kind of bothers me because I can still see the nude in the background. Like when y'all see the other flower, y'all gonna see what I'm talking about. But yep, I use super glue, and then I'm gonna use a golden shadow crystal to put in the center. After I applied my top coat and a little bit more crystals, here is the finished product. I love super cute shorties, especially if they're square. I'm in love. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to this part of the video, let's leave a brown heart in the comments.